Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. J, and today I'm going to show you how to solve this fractional root equation. We have square root of m raised to the power of 2 minus 9 all over the square root of m plus 2 equals to 5. Solution: square root of m squared minus 9 all over square root of m plus 2 equal to 5. First, what we do, we cross multiply. The 5 at the right hand side is over 1. Then when we cross multiply, we are going to have 1 times square root of m squared minus 9 will give us square root of m squared minus 9 equal to 5 times square root of m plus 2 will give us 5 square root of m plus 2. Now we proceed. If we proceed, we have to square both sides. When we square both sides, we have square root of m squared minus 9 all squared equal to 5 square root of m plus 2 all squared. Square, we cancel square root, left with m squared minus 9 equal to square of 5 will give us 25 times square, we cancel square root, left with m plus 2. The next step, we expand. Expand means open the bracket. Now we have m squared minus 9 equal to 25 times m gives us 25m plus 25 times 2 gives us 50. The next step, we have to push everything to one side of the equal to sign, left with nothing at the right hand side, which will give us 0. If we do that, we are having m squared minus 9 minus 25m minus 50, because they are crossing sign of equality, left with nothing at the right hand side, which is equals to 0. Now we collect the like terms. We have m squared, which we cannot touch, then minus 25m. We have to add up 9 and 50 because two of them are numbers. When we do that, we have minus 59 equal to 0. If we look at the expression, what we have here is called quadratic equation. And quadratic equation is when the power of the unknown is at the degree 2 or raised to the power of 2. Now we have quadratic equation, we have to use quadratic equation formula to get the solution. And the power of 2 is telling us that it has two solutions. Now let's go. Quadratic equation formula state that whenever we have m expression like this, we have m equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now where a in this formula is 1, coefficient of a squared means a equal to 1, b is equal to the coefficient of m, which is minus 25, and c is the constant, which is minus 59. Minus 59. Then if we apply this to this quadratic equation formula, we are going to have m equal to minus, which is in the formula, minus 25 plus or minus square root of minus 25 all squared minus 4. A is 1 and c is minus 59 all over 2a, which is 1. Then when we simplify, we are going to have m equal to minus minus gives us plus, which is plus 25, plus or minus square root of 25 squared will give us 625, what we are having here is minus 25 squared. Minus times minus gives us plus, and 25 times 25 gives us 625, minus 4 times 1 times minus 59 will give us 236. 236 plus all over 2 times 1 gives us 2. M is equals to 25 plus or minus square root of, when we add 625 plus 236, we have 861 all over 2. Then M is equal to 25 plus root of 861 all over 2, or we consider the minus sign. If we consider the minus sign, we have 25 minus square root of 861 all over 2. Then if we continue, we have M equal to 25 plus root of 661. When you use calculator, you will have 29.34 all over 2, or 25 minus 29.34 all over 2. Then if we continue, we have M equal to 25 plus 29.34 will give us 54.34 all over 2, or 25 minus 29.34 will give us minus 4.34 all over 2. M is equal to, when we divide 54.34 divided by 2, we have 27.17, or when we divide minus 4.34 divided by 2, we have minus 2.17. Therefore, M is equals to 27.17, comma, minus 2.17 as the answer. Now, let's check. We write the original equation, which is root m squared minus 9 all over root of m plus 2 equal to 5. Put x equal to 27.17 in the original equation. We have root of 27.17 all squared minus 9 all over root of 27.17 plus 2. Will it give us 5? Let's try. 27.17 squared will give us root of 738.21 minus 9 all over, when we add up 27.17 plus 2, we have root of 29.17. Will it give us 5? Let's check. Now this will give us root of, when we subtract 9 from 738.21, we are going to have 729.21 all over 29.17, the root equals to 5. Then if we divide, we are going to have, if we divide and find the square root, we are going to have 5 equals to 5. Is correct. Then if we continue, we consider the second one. When we put x equal to minus 2.17, if we put this to the original equation, we are going to have root of minus 2.17 all squared minus 9 all over square root of 2 minus 2.17 plus 2. Will it give us 5? The denominator will be negative. So negative root will give us invalid answer. So the second one doesn't satisfy the equation. So we will say the first one satisfied the equation. So our answer is correct. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.